In this video, I'll guide you through how to undo on Typeform, whether you're creating a new survey or modifying an existing one. Knowing how to reverse actions can save you time and prevent potential headaches. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to typeform.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see all of your existing forms displayed. Select the form you want to work on by clicking on it. This will open up the form editor where you can start making changes. Now, let's say you want to add some new content to your form. In the editor, you'll find various options to include different types of questions and elements. For this example, we're going to focus on adding a multiple choice question. Click on the option for multiple choice. This will add a new question block to your form. Next, you'll need to type in your question. Think of something relevant to your form's purpose. As you type, you might realize you made a typo or decided to change the wording. This is where the undo function becomes incredibly helpful. If you've made a mistake or simply want to revert your last action, you can easily do so by using the undo shortcut. Simply press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. This will immediately undo your last action, whether it was a typo in your question or selecting the wrong type of content. Using Ctrl+Z is a universal shortcut that works in many applications, and it's just as handy in Typeform. Remember, you can use this shortcut multiple times to undo several actions, stepping back through your recent changes one by one. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can confidently undo actions on Typeform, making your editing process smoother and more efficient. It's a simple yet powerful tool to have in your Typeform toolkit. Whether you're crafting a simple survey or a complex questionnaire, knowing how to quickly correct mistakes ensures your forms are always accurate and professional. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy form building.